of BPCL is almost 455, and here is a low what it has made almost 449.75. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 14th of July and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So before that, let's see how our SGX Nifty is performed from the morning. Okay, so SGX Nifty right now is trading at 15,804, and today's high, what it has made is 15,859. So this was the today's range, and the lowest was 15,760. Okay, so now let's see how our NSE pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market data, so here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 15,808 today. So it only 0.02% change. Advanced stocks are 22 and declines are also 22. So bit of a sideways opening in the pre-open market, and unchanged stocks are 6. So now let's see the most gap up opening section in the pre-open market. That is Adani Ports with 0.77% up and Infi with 0.59% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section. That is Indus India Bank with 0.56% down and Cipla with 0.47% down. So yes, not a more of a percentage change in the opening, but the gap down and gap down is a little bit. Okay, so this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, right now I am looking at BPCL chart. Okay, so yesterday's high of BPCL is almost 455, and here is a low what it has made almost 449.75. Okay, so this will be the yesterday's high and yesterday's low, and here is somewhere where it took resistance for yesterday and came down. So this will be our key levels today. So let's see how the stock will perform. So not yet taken any entry yet, so just in few minutes I'll take a entry after it confirms whether it's going up or down. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes, and once I take any entry I'll update you guys. So guys, if you guys can see, it has taken a resistance here, so I'm planning to short sell the stock right now in the market level. Okay, so we shall short sell now around 451.50 is where we short sold. So let's wait for the stock to come down now. Okay, and also this is a multiple chart view what I have put. This is a BPCL chart and this is a Nifty Energy chart. So Nifty Energy is a index for the BPCL. Okay, so inside the Nifty Energy we get BPCL, and here you can see even this index has also taken a resistance here, and even the index is also coming down. So this is a reference. So that's why I have short sold, thinking that even this will come down now. So let's wait for the stock also to come down. So anyway, we'll see. We'll wait for the stock. So guys, as we have taken a short sell entry now on the BPCL, the stock movement is very less as of now. So you can see, according to the support and resistance lines what I have drawn, it didn't take a good support there around 455 somewhere around there, or 453. So the stock was not able to go above that. Okay, so you can see the red candle formed, and the first candle low is also is broken by that big first red candle. So that's the reason why I thought this stock can come down, and I've taken a short sell entry. Okay, it's just about an observation. Okay, so I don't use any indicators. If you guys can see, it just purely depends on the price action and how the stock is moving and the candles. So candles tells you everything. Okay, so you can see even if the support at the support level, there is only one green candle. Okay, so there was no much of a green candle, or there was no more buyers, you can see. So there was only one small green candle which is appeared on the support level, and again a big red candle which is breaking the first 5 minutes candle low. So this confirms that this is in a bearish mood, but it cannot be in a whole day bearish mood also. So that's why I've drawn the support level at the down, so I can just take and short until that level, that is like 449.50, somewhere around there. I will hold it and will exit it. Okay, will not take much of a risk here. The market nowadays is very less volatile due to the less volumes. So let's see. So guys, yes, after waiting for a long time, we can see now the stock is trading below 450.15. So it did take a lot of time, and it did go like 452 somewhere around there also, and from there it started to come down again. So yeah, very close to our target, which is 449.50. So just waiting for that value to get touched as of now, because that's the support line. So I'll just exit there. I'll not take much risk. And also you can see at the top left side, the market is now going up. It's almost 0.14% up now, and the market has been very stable from the morning, I can tell. Not much of a movement also. And also the same thing is happening in our stock. It was almost range bounded till now, so it was almost like 11:30 now, if you guys can see. So almost after 11:30 the stock is coming down, so I think it will touch down the low now. So that's why I'm waiting for it. So it's a very simple concept of trade what I took today. Okay, so we just follow the support resistance where the buyers are and where the sellers are. Just see that and move according to the market. So the market is now going up, so that's the reason why I'm planning to exit my short sell very quickly once it touches that support line. Okay, because from that support line the buyers may come in and the stock might also go up. So according to the market direction and according to the levels, if you trade properly, you will be safest in the trading. So you should just be careful on that. So sometimes you might get stuck like this in the range bound section. Okay, even the stock might not be a range bound, even the stock will have a good volume, but there are some ranges. Okay, when it comes to certain support and resistance level, or when it comes to support, or when it comes to some certain levels, at that levels the stock can go range bounded even if the market is very volatile. It happens in many kind of stocks. Okay, it gets stuck. So to avoid that, I shall exit quickly. So let's wait. So we are very close now. We are not yet got that value yet, so it's still stuck on 450. At 450 you can see lot of values has been kept there in the market depth. So just waiting for that to get above that. So we'll see guys, we'll just have to wait for a few minutes, I guess. So 450, once the 450 breaks, I think we'll be easily touching 449.50. so let's wait. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock is now down almost. I booked 0.5% target, and let me show you how this is performing. So you can see here is a support level. That's why I just made my exit now. Okay, and also you can see even our index is also starting to go up from now. So you can see here it is taking a support, and also index is going up. So I think the stock might bounce up back from here by taking the support. So that's why, to be in a safer side, I just took my exit. Okay, as you guys saw, I just took my short sale around 451.60 somewhere there, and I just took my exit right now. And so this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's state of BPL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I will see you in the next one very soon.